I mean,
He's not the type. I think that's why he likes to work also because he wants to prove himself. I remember we were having this conversation yesterday.
yes, parang growing up, I was always shy to ask him. Parang palagi ako nahiya, even birthday gifts, he would always ask me, what do you want for your birthday? I'm always shy to tell him what I want. I'm not the type to ask him for things, right? Parang I don't use it. Parang I don't take it to my advantage na just because he's earning so much, I don't ask for so much as well.
I guess I just wanna remember was it two days ago we were talking. Sabi ko kasi I wanna go on a vacation, for let's say a couple of months, yung mga ganon. And he's not the type na magsasabi siya pwede pa ako. So you know what he said, sabi niya, that's why I also wanna work hard so I can, do the same thing that you're doing, save up so I can also travel and go vacations, on my own, at my own expense.
May time ba na pinag-usapan nyo na ito ang mamanahin mo and you're telling them, yeah, kasi it's practical, di ba? Kaya
ako ngayon siya hinayaan mag-artista para wala na. Sabi ko yung kahit sa sunlight, ayaw naman pala ng sunlight, buhayin yung ano ko eh. Kung nga, mag-artista ka na, huwag ka na mag-aral.
So parang this is how you should protect and nurture that.
No, even when I was young, I got a policy that would expire or mature at 18 and 21. So, but hindi ko naman inaano sa kanya eh. Parang hindi niya iniisip ko yung value eh. Parang for him, it's better that he does his own stuff, for himself. But of course, he's my only son. So whatever he asks, hanggang kaya.
Can I also just add, one thing that I learned from my dad is that when you earn, it's you enjoy it more. You love what you do more, and you take care of your money even more. Kasi kung binibigay lang sa'yo, syempre hindi mo iisip kung paano pinaghirapan yung money mo, paano nakuha yung money mo. So when you're the one working for your own money, you treat it more carefully. Kaalagaan mo dahil alam mo ikaw yung nagtrabaho para din.
Okay, kasi naano ko dati ba, si ninyo muna, he was able to, yung pera niya o his own, nabago yung maayos kasi nailagay niya tama ng papa niya. Yun po.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, next question po. Over here. Likod po ni Miss P.
Okay, next question from
Uncle Lofio. Okay, Sir Pete.
Okay, si Papa P is a very talented personality. He is very good, very popular. Siguro marami nag-offer sa yung insurance company. I am wondering what made you choose Sun Life over the rest?
Very aggressive. When they chose me back then, 7 years ago, somewhere there, we got off to a good start. So just like what I said, because they wanted to partner up with me for the foundation, for the kids. So right there and then, hindi naman nila ako yung offer agad ng endorsement. Eh.
Okay.
And knowing that Sun Life has a lot of policies na mas naiintindihan ko, it's more, mas layman yung term nila, mas layman yung, yung...
Easy to comprehend.
It's easy to comprehend, it's easy to understand. So sabi ko, why not, right?
So yung pala ang dahilan mo bakit ito ang daming gusto sa iyo kumuha but you choose Sun Life over the rest. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, Sir Pete.
Jimmy. May question.
May applause with that.
Kailangan ni English eh.
Huwag na. I used it a while ago. Sabi mo kasi na meron kang 10 kasi investment. Nagpapapitanong ko lang si Inigo ba lahat ng beneficiary ng lahat ngayon?
Most of it, yes. My mom, and then Inigo, you get two beneficiaries, and one of them is Inigo, of course, naturally. Pero, kaya niya na yan.
Okay na? Okay, next question from Patrick of Lionheart. Stand up.
Lionheart. Question first for Phil. She's in your age now, and you said you're almost 10 years in Sun Life. What is a certain situation that you can share to Inigo that you benefited from Sun Life already? Since for sure you experienced a maturity already from Sun Life and its policy. And then for Inigo, the next question is for you, what are the certain lifestyle that you keep on seeing with your friends or other kids at your age that they should avoid and they should focus on doing Sun Life?
Okay, for me,